Hello, welcome to our intro to the Frozen Hollow in our Gloomhaven quest number 5. And there is some text that I'll go ahead and read. It says, the map is easy to follow. Deep in the Copperneck Mountains, obscured by snow drifts, you find the opening to a dark, narrow cave. The wolf tracks around the entrance are troubling, but with a firm resolve, you enter. And so that is our intro into the Frozen Hollow here. And I'm going to go ahead and reveal it because it is the first room. And this is what we have in this first room here. If you're wondering, these are just decor. They're just rock decors. And you can't stand on that spot. You have to go around it. And that's what that spot is there. Those are the only two tiles. This, I believe, is the new door for the hollow. It's just like a gray, misty kind of thing. But it's basically the door into the next room. So there's only one door, and it's right there. And then you can see we have a bunch of hounds, and that's what these are. So a bunch of hounds, and two of them are elite hounds. And then right here, we have some living spirits. And that's what those are. Two of those and one elite version of a living spirit. So a lot of enemies here. I believe it's 9 enemies in this first room. And if you're wondering their stats, they'll start with the hounds. So the hounds have 8 hit points. They can move 4 spots and they attack 3. They also can retaliate if you hit them, retaliate 1 hit point. They have no range, however. There are 2 elite ones. The elite ones have 11 hit points, can move 5 and hit 4 and retaliate 2. So those are the 2 yellow ones. They have these stats, the white ones have those stats. And those are our hounds. The living spirits, we have 2 regular ones. They have 3 hit points, can move 3, attack 3, and a range of 3, and a shield of 3. So you have to hit at least 4 to take off 1 hit point. We do have 1 elite version who has a 4 shield, and everything's a 4. And so that's the living spirit and what they can do. So those are our 2 enemies that we face in this room. The hounds seem pretty tough, and the living spirits they can hit pretty hard with the 3 and the 4. But that's where we're at. Remember, the hounds can move 4 spots. So you know, like this guy's gonna go like 1, 2, 3, 4 and end up like right here. So they're all gonna start to just swarm on us if they get a move on their first card. So for example, if they drew this, they would move the 4 and attack. And if they're next to any of the other hounds, they get a +2 attack to their attack. So quite a strong group we got there that we have to start off with. But that is the intro to our first room in our 5th quest here in the Frozen Hollow, and we will go from there.